In this video, I will be replacing this workbench. I slapped this together a year ago using some 2x4s. The bottom shelf is hardly used due to limited access. The top shelf is starting to cave in due to a lack of support. The casters are a bit underpowered. Here I'm designing the new workbench using FreeCAD. It is almost 5 feet by 5 feet with a height of 2 feet. Here are various angles. I start by cutting out all the pieces out of 2x4s. After cutting out all the pieces, this is what it looks like when they're ready to be assembled. The fundamental pieces are variable lengths of 1 inch by 1 inch. The shelves are made from plywood. Then I glue the pieces together to make bigger pieces. I clamped the glued up pieces together to strengthen the joints. Now I put the pieces together and mark where I need to trim them. I trim off the edges for a custom fit. Now I glue the bottom together. Then I attach the casters. Here I have a piece of 2x6 that I've trimmed down because the casters that I'm going to use have a footprint that is too big for a 2x4. I use both glue and screws to secure the 2x6 onto the workbench. I pre-drill some pilot holes for the screws before drilling the screws in. This is the beefy caster that I will be using on the new workbench. It's made by Albion and it can handle 500 pounds per caster. I marked the 4 holes in the casters that I will be using a bolt and washer to secure to the 2x6. I pre-drilled the holes where the bolts would go. Now I add the bottom shelf. Since my workbench is almost 5 feet by 5 feet and plywood sheets come at a maximum length of 4 feet, I need to use 2 sheets to cover the entire workbench. Now I assemble the top shelf. I stop at this point to move over my long mill CNC machine. Then I continue assembling the top shelf. Now I trim the shelf edges flush with the rest of the workbench. Here are my workbenches, side by side, the old one and the new one. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.